Channels Television's breaking news.
Carolina is me, Jack Kiefer. And today, it's pretty windy outside, as you can see, and this is only the beginning. We have these very different types of branches falling from the forest over here. We have seeds falling. We have branches. We even have leaves falling. This is crazy. And this is only 1/3 of the leaves in our backyard. Also, if you look inside here, the tracheotic position of the leaf senses that another big storm will be hitting in the next 4 months in Florida. On the scene, Jack Kiefer.
This is Channels Television's breaking news.
Back on the scene from Raleigh, North Carolina. Day 2 of the storm. We're actually in a patch of no rain right now. As you can see, the roads are flooded. As you can see. Also, it's very windy outside right now, probably around 50 miles per hour. If you look up here, the clouds are moving at a pretty fast rate. If you can see, the cloud was just there, and now it's like over here. So the clouds are moving fast. We're probably gonna get some rain from southwest. The rain is coming in, so make sure to stay on guard. Electricity lines can still fall. This is only day 2. We still have 1 more day to go. So be safe.